You are on the 13th floor.
Aha, that's right.
This building is 29 stories high. The last time I came. Sorry.
Don't worry.
The last time I came here was 3. Sorry.
Corona?
Was 3 years ago.
Aha.
You look in a hurry.
Could it be Corona?
You said something.
I said that the... Oh my god. Oh. Sorry, I have to go. This is the 13th floor.
Sure.
Get well soon. Oh my god. Co. Corona. No. I should stop thinking negatively. Yes, that's better. But coronavirus is not easy to resist. Oh my god. Oh no. I wonder how many people died because of it? What? Let me go outside this closed place.
Mom, is lunch ready?
Yes, sweetie. But let us wait for your dad.
But
He is on his way.
let me eat my lunch alone, and you can eat together.
Jad,
What?
we will wait for your dad. You know how much eating as a family means to him.
Okay, Mom. But I'm...
Jad,
Okay.
Oh, that's it. Finally. I found it. I'm lucky. But I'm worried to buy it. What if it holds corona? I should stop my bad thoughts. But in China at least 3,248 people died until now. Really? It's horrible. Oh my god. Stop my mind. Stop. Don't give in to your negative thoughts.
The cartoon has ended, and I'm still hungry. Rules at school. Rules at home. Rules everywhere. I'm bored of rules.
Jad, did you see my charger?
No,
I told you to not use it. It's mine.
I haven't used it for 4 days.
Come and look for it.
Are you stupid? I told you that I don't know where it is.
Dad told you that you have to respect your siblings and not to say these words. Follow me to look for the charger.
Dad told you to respect your siblings. You are ugly. Oh, Mommy?
are you talking to yourself?
I'm hungry. I can't wait anymore.
Your dad arrived, and he is parking his car.
Yeah.
So go wash your hands and follow me to the kitchen.
Sure. I'm coming.
You are here, Taya. Good. Set the table while I turn the stove off.
Okay.
First, wash your hands.
Hi, Sally.
You are late and the kids are so hungry.
Sorry, but I bought some books before coming home.
Did you see the news?
Is something happening?
No, but I want to ask you about the number of coronavirus cases in our city.
What? Corona?
Are you okay?
Yes. I will change my clothes and come to eat. The most delicious food.
Oh, honey.
In our city? Corona in our city? I feel sick. Really sick. Could it be that I got exposed to corona through the man? Yes, the man I met in the elevator. Oh no.
Stop, Rami. Stop. Think positively. Look. You are okay? Think. You are not even coughing.
Aha. That's right. I truly don't even have a cough. Aha. But I'm feeling cold. Maybe it is a fever. Oh no.
Today one of the students in our school left early and went home. Do you know John?
John? Oh, the boy I always play basketball with.
Yes. John.
Mommy. I'm afraid of corona. I don't want to go to school tomorrow.
Keep your immunity high and you will never get corona.
Immunity?
Aha.
How? By playing sports? Why are you laughing?
Mom. Answer him. Yes, play sports and you will never be sick.
Mom?
I washed my hands.
Sit, my little boy.
Dad, do you know John? The boy who I told you I compete against.
Aha.
Taya said that he left early today because he had some symptoms of corona.
Corona? What is that?
Corona?
Yes, Dad. John, my friend, maybe has corona.
Huh. How did they know? It needs an accurate test.
My teacher told him that having a cough and a fever may be a sign of corona.
Coughing? What?
The best thing is that school is closed.
Rami. Are you okay?
I feel tired.
Go take a nap after lunch.
Mom, please my plate. First.
John? Coughing? I feel like I have a fever. The man I met in the elevator. Oh my god.
Daddy? Come. Please, I'm hungry.
Coughing? Fever? Corona? Oh my god. Don't be worried. Even if you had a cough, even if you had a fever, don't be worried. Like me. And remember to keep your immunity high by eating healthy, by getting enough sleep. Also, stay at home. Stay tuned for the next episode. See you guys. Bye bye.